Rowere matieko tiegruok e kuonde somo tije lwedo kata TVETs e pacho ka mangima koro kwa mondo neno tiyo gi lony margi magiyudo e chuogo thuolo mag tije ne ji mamoko e pacho ka. Maeri en ote manochiw kod jalup jata tije bad migawo mar TVETs e Thurka Dr. William Osawa mane olero ni rowerego ni e thuolo makare mar neno ni giloko chenro mag dongruok e pacho ka. Dr. Osawa ne wuoyo e nyasi mar sidho ogudu ne rowere mohewo 200 mane otieko tiegruok e kar thieth mar Nairobi West Hospital e buore ka.
It is my sincere hope that the great wealth of knowledge, innovative ideas, and problem-solving skills that you have acquired in the course of your training will help you to overcome the challenges and lead you to identify and achieve real success, not only for yourselves, but for the whole country without engaging in non-ethical activities.
It is our duty to listen attentively, to offer solace, and to provide care that goes beyond physical, encompassing the emotional and spiritual aspects of healing. As you will be caring for your patients, do so with diligence. Care for your patients with professionalism and humility. Attend to them with respect and...
Please remember that the world is full of promises. Carry with you more than certificates and diplomas. You should carry the responsibility to make the meaningful and lasting impact in the world.